award-winning desktop 3D printer is engineered for fast and reliable 3D printing. The MakerBot Replicator Plus. Standardized features for easy and accessible 3D printing. To ensure easy, accessible 3D printing, the MakerBot Replicator Plus comes with the Smart Extruder Plus and all the standard features of its predecessor. A few of those features include an LCD display, an onboard camera, as well as USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connection. The MakerBot Replicator Plus prints 30% faster than its predecessor and offers a 25% larger build volume. For greater reliability and precision, it features improved hardware, like a redesigned gantry and Z-stage. To ensure consistent performance, MakerBot new 3D printers and their subsystems were re-engineered and rigorously tested for 380,000+ hours across multiple facilities. Combines with powerful workflow tools to streamline the 3D printing process. Save time and accelerate iteration by pairing the Replicator Plus with MakerBot Print software and MakerBot Mobile. The Replicator Plus is cloud-enabled, so you can control it remotely with MakerBot Print or the MakerBot Mobile app. With MakerBot Print, you can import native CAD parts and assemblies, auto-arrange them during print preparation, and then print them on one or more printers. To get started printing quickly and easily, MakerBot Mobile offers an all-new guided wireless setup. With the new grip surface, prints adhere better, resulting in reduced warping and curling. Prints are also easier to remove with the new bendable flex build plate. The large build plate is also factory leveled, so your Replicator Plus is ready to produce right out of the box. Double the warranty of its predecessor, the Smart Extruder Plus is a culmination of product design, technology and 160,000+ hours of rigorous testing that delivers dependable, consistent performance. With superior results using MakerBot polylactic acid material. Remotely monitor your print progress from MakerBot Print and MakerBot Mobile. MakerBot allows you to view the entire process, resulting in unparalleled print quality. Along with an intuitive dial, the LCD display allows you to set up and maintain your 3D printer, preview print files, and easily access your object library. Your purchase includes one MarkerBot Replicator, one 3D printer with Swappable Smart Extruder Plus in black, one PLA spool, one flexible build plate, power and USB cables. To buy MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer, with Swappable Smart Extruder Plus, please see description.